Sanibona bantwana. We're gonna play a game of yini le. So when you hear the sound, I want you to say the word in isiZulu. Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yini le. That's right, ibubesi. And how about this one? Yini le. Very good, inkawu. And how about this one? Yini le. Very good, inyoka. Now, how about this one? Yini le. That's right, indlovu. And how about this one? Yini le. Very good, ikati. Now, how about this one? Yini le. That's right, inja. Thanks for playing along. We'll see you next time with a game of Yini le. Salani kahle.